Welcome to ShoppiQ. It's a modern conversion-focused Kajabi shop template, and it's created especially for the Kajabi shopping cart, but can also be used for your Kajabi sales pages. With ShoppiQ, you get unique styling features for your shopping cart. You can create gorgeous shopping pages with all kind of products. You can filter them if you want, and you can create completely different look and feels like merchandise website pages. When you click on one of the images, there will be a pop-up with a beautiful model with all the information about your product. You can upload multiple images and you can give information and people can immediately add it to their shopping cart. If you think the standard Kajabi pricing cards are very limited because you cannot change the look and feel of this card, you cannot change the fonts, and the buttons aren't nicely aligned, and when you click on the few details, you get a pop-up with just some simple text. Let's check out ShoppiQ, where you can create banners with the images on the left. When you select the image, there will be a model with review stars, with the buttons on it, with the pricing, with multiple images. And when you click on one of the images, you can zoom in the image and see more in detail what's on that image. With ShoppiQ, you can create these cards with just a few clicks. It is very easy to change this card into a thumbnail we have here. And if you have multiple products, why not add some sorting buttons on top? It's even more easy for them to select the items they want to see. If you really want to enhance the shopping experience on your cart or your sales pages, ShoppiQ is the unique design you need. And we have created multiple designs. You can select one of them and start with this design. Remember, it's a Kajabi template. You can change all the designs to a different look and feel. The Delft version, and it will show you different styles of shopping carts you can use on your shopping page. Our ShoppiQ sales page is created with the ShoppiQ template, and you can immediately experience how it works. But you can also go to the demo and it will open up a real live preview of your template. Here you have all the products. It's a beautiful design. You can add as many of these pages to your website just to showcase different products. If you have any questions about ShoppiQ, please send us an email. I hope you like it, and I love to see what you can do with ShoppiQ to create the most beautiful shopping experience for your clients.